There's a major intersection over here. You can see in summer everything out there is green. The trees, the grass looks really nice. I love it. I love summers, but in Minnesota our summers last only a few months. And sometimes even in summer the weather can go from 100 degrees in one day, the following day is like 50. It's insane. So we got to enjoy our summer because it seems like more than 2/3 of the year is winter or cold weather. Trees covering the street. Looks nice. I see a train up there. Alright, thank you so much for joining me on this short drive. Hopefully you're gonna come back and watch a playlist. And when you watch a video, I appreciate if you can give a like. That's how you support us, by giving us a like. Here is, it's called Como Pool, Como Regional Park. It's swimming, my kid is over there. He needed some cash, so I had to drive and bring it to him. I asked him to be out here at the gate because I am not going to pay to go inside. Alright, we'll see you on the next video. Peace out.